Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Boat 100 wireless headset. As we can see, the packaging comes with a little window on the front, so you can see the pair of headphones as well as the accessory pouch on the inside. There's not much on either side. There's a small QR code sticker. This is what you'd scan for checking the authenticity of the product. Nothing on the other side. And once we flip it around, we see some of the features and specifications being listed, such as Bluetooth version 5.0 support, IPX4 sweat and water resistance, and some other features. Let's go ahead with the unboxing first. So you have the wireless headset in its own little clamshell packaging, along with an accessory pouch. This should have practically everything else. Also, take the clamshell packaging off the headset. We'll come back to the headset later. First, let's look at the different things that are present in the pouch. First, you have the user manual. This will take you through all the functions as well as the operation modes and the specifications. Then you have a little sticker, another pouch with the charging cable. This one happens to be about 15 centimeters long, and it's micro USB on one side and USB type A on the other. Then there's a brochure of different Boat products that you can go through if you're interested in buying any of the other product offerings. A small warranty card. You should always go through the terms to figure out exactly what's covered and for what period the product is covered. Lastly, there's one more pouch within which you have replacement earbuds with different sizes. Usually you have the medium size already attached on the headset with the large and small replacement buds in the pouch, which happens to be the case here as well. And that's all you get in the packaging of the Boat wireless headset. This is the 100 series. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of audio products in the future, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.